Hello guys, this is Team 5. I am Jinji and my partner is Egan. Our topic is Manoa Gym Scheduler web app. Before we get started, let me give you guys a little bit background information about our app. What is Manoa Gym Scheduler? Manoa Gym Scheduler is a web app that allows students to keep track of how busy the gym will be. User can schedule a time when they want to go to gym and appear on the calendar for everyone to see. It just simply input the time they want to go to the gym. Why do we need this? Because the gym can get busy. This app will enhance the user experience by allowing them to see when the gym is busier, organize their schedule, and keep track of their workout. There is a gym official website, but the website is limited. They only list hours of operation, schedule events, and general information about the gym. Whom is good for? All students, alumni, and faculty at UH Manoa. What are their needs? All classes need information on both their own metrics using the gym and when others use the gym. How will it benefit each of classes? Each class of user gets a uniform benefit of being able to see the traffic, usage, and scheduling for the gym, as well as keep track of their own workout. The main functionality on our app implements UHCast login. Only user who has UH account will be able to log into our app. However, for those user who doesn't have UH account, they can only access the landing page, which is the introduction page for our app. Also, our calendar is able to draw and drop. After user make a schedule, it will appear on the calendar. If user want to reschedule, just simply draw the schedule to next available time. Our final version of app, we keep the existing overall design of the app. Also, we add a help and FAQ page to improve our app. The help page has multimedia elements and screenshots. FAQ page use semantic UI to help responsive and intuitive design. Now let's go over our existing version of the app. This is the landing page of our app, which is the introduction page. Is to help people to understand what our app does. After user click login, it will pop up a cast login window. This is only for people who has UH account, and this is one of our main functionality. Once user login, they are able to use all the functions such as calendar, personal, list personal. And this is the calendar page. As you can see, there are 4 schedules on the calendars. User can draw to reschedule. This is a create event page, which is create a schedule. User just double click on a date to create an event. Very easy. This is the personal page, which is the database of our app. This page is used for you set up personal goal and user to save user information. FAQ page. We add this page to our final version. Is to help then how to use our app and some general information about our app. This is the help page. This page contains videos and screenshots. It's to help users walk through the app step by step.
Hello all, this is Egan Nakano, and I'll be taking over the presentation from here. So the media. The media that we planned to add to the app was a video tutorial on how to use the web app, a text and picture guide to supplement the video, various images throughout the app. We were planning to make, say, the landing page a lot more appealing because the landing page is currently only a static image. And we were thinking maybe we could spruce up that by adding animations if we had time. What we actually ended up doing was, well, adding screenshots to our user guide. Not that many extra images to pretty up the site, and we did get the video player working, but we didn't actually end up, at the time of this recording the screencast that goes along with it, due to some technical difficulties I ran into. The frameworks that we had planned to use were the ones we pretty much ended up using. We built this app using Meteor, Semantic UI, JavaScript, HTML, and CSS. Some other resources that we ended up using were the UH login, or CAS, which, as we all know, authenticates users with their UH username and password. We also used Full Calendar, which is a full-size drag-and-drop event calendar. Moving on to our code. I designed this frequently asked questions page to have an Semantic UI accordion add-on, so that people can come here and find answers quickly, easily to the most common questions that we would probably get for this app. And you can see the code here on the right. Unfortunately, it's from CodePen because, again, I ran into some issues with my laptop. And I also implemented a back to the top button to just take you right back up when you hit the bottom, so you don't have to scroll. Additionally, we did create a help page with what will be a tutorial video screencast embedded on the page, an installation guide if you want to download our app in its very early stages and install it and try to run it, and then a usage guide to help you get through how to use this app. The code here is again from CodePen, and it shows the code for embedding the YouTube video player. Following is the code for the CAS login, which is actually a pop-up window. And this is what my teammate coded. And following that is the code for the calendar, also from my teammate. So some problems we ran into were the time constraints. We didn't have as much time as we wanted to work on all the features we wanted. Also, hardware issues. Again, one team member, mine laptop, started having problems running Meteor, which is pretty big for testing the website as it, is deploying. So a lot of the changes I was making to the code I had on CodePen, I wasn't sure how it was going to reflect when I ported it over to our full deployment, our GitHub repo, because Meteor uses a different format. We have to add template tags and strip out some of the code that I had, the plain code for HTML and JavaScript on CodePen to get it to work with the full program. We also ran into some version issues where we're using an older version of Full Calendar and the jQuery plugin version of it, and some functions just plain don't work. And then we have this strange bug where the footer jumps to the top of the page after the user adds an event on the calendar, and we are still trying to figure out why it does that. Some things we would have liked to add would be an improved landing page. We had this idea to put maybe an advertisement or trailer for our app on the front page to help lure in, potential new users. Could always improve our tutorial page, or ideally just redesign the app so that it doesn't need a tutorial. More pictures we feel would have been better, or even we have a simple profile system, so maybe we could allow users to upload their own pictures or customize their profile, add some social elements to this app. As well, we would have liked the full cast login functionality. We currently have a test version where we have to manually add users who have UH logins. And if we could get it, would have been great. It would be great to get official endorsement from UH for use our app. So in conclusion, our goal was to refine and add to our current web app to improve the gym experience at large for the whole community at UH Manoa. We did end up using a wide range of frameworks and libraries, adding some pretty cool features. We did add a help page and a frequently asked question page for new and lost users. We're working on recording that tutorial screencast. It should be in the final version that we turn in. And we did add a lot of helpful images. Hopefully this will have improved the user experience on our app. And I believe this concludes our presentation. Thank you.